Guys, I'm going to show you a trail runner that just came in. It's a pre-owned trail runner, but the price right now is fantastic. It is going to sleep, let's see, it's got bunks, so 1, 2, and actually the bunks are pretty wide, so you could probably fit 2 on top, 2 on bottom. You've got a dinette that you could fit 1, so 2, 4, 6, maybe 8, maybe 7. But let's take a look from the outside in. It is a smaller unit, so if you're looking for something that you can go camping in right now, get it out, pretty light, this is the one. So let's go to the campsite. This is a pre-owned. It is a 2023 Trail Runner 199BHSS. It's got your awning that goes all the way across. Now this one does not have slides, but again, when you walk in, you do feel like it is spacious. It's got some space in there, but it is a perfect for if you're looking for something smaller, lighter, and great budget. This is a great unit. Plus it's one of those trail runners, got that white wood. I absolutely love this one. All right, so you've got a good size queen bed over here, tons of storage on the top and over here on the side, and you got storage underneath, of course, as well. You've got a sink, a 3-burner, an oven, and a microwave. Tons of storage on top and bottom. A nice big fridge, guys, and normally you won't find a fridge this big in a unit this tiny, but look at all the space that you have. A fridge and a freezer on top, and of course this is one of those fridges that open on both sides. I love those. I'm like a kid. I love it. You've got a dinette that of course turns into a bed. You can put your entertainment up here. You've got storage on the side. And then these bunks. Now the bunks, like I said, you could probably fit 2 people on top and 2 people on bottom. You got an easy access right over there and some more storage on this side. In here you've got your bathroom. Nice big spacious bathroom with a tub. So if you guys want some more information, yes, just let me know. Come up and see me, Funtown RV in Waco. Ask for Rachel. Because this one's gonna go pretty fast. So let me know what you think. My information's down below. You know how fast, and if you don't, our pre-owned go very fast. So if you see something you like, call, text, email, come see me, because it does go. All right, guys, until next time.